And now that we have our materials more or less in order, we're going to do a couple material takeoffs. So we can start by going up here to View, under Schedules, and say Material Takeoff. And I'm going to do the foundation walls. So even though they're structural foundations, those are of the category walls. Okay, the footings are structural foundations. So it's important to get the category as walls. And I can just call this, FDN walls, material takeoff, and then hit OK. And then from there I want the properties. I want material name. I want material volume, cubic feet of concrete. And then I'm going to go over here to filter and say filter, because if I don't filter, it's going to grab all the walls. I want to filter by the name that equals cast in place concrete. So it'll only gather data on walls where the material name equals this. And it gives me the different materials that are currently being used in all my walls. Sorting and grouping, I can say give me grand totals, and don't need to sort. And formatting, I'm going to set volume to say calculate totals plus grand totals, and that's it. And there's my schedule. Okay, my little material takeoff. It's got my 4 foundation walls, the cubic feet of concrete being used, and the total. So I can go down to my sheet. Let's right click and rename this first of all. And just call this plans. Okay. So we'll click on our plans sheet, and we will take our little foundation wall material takeoff. Zoom in a little bit, place that guy over there, escape, pick on it. So there's our 374 cubic feet of concrete for our foundation walls. And we'll leave it at that. We'll come back in our next one, and we will do the same thing for our footings.